Welcome to Pigeon River Farm, doing farming right. I'm Robert Brown, the owner of Pigeon River Farm. Thank you for viewing. Good evening. In tonight's episode, we're going to talk about delivery of our new baby chicks. We just received today from our supplier. We use a really good supplier, 100 baby chicks. They're all little pullets. They come from Sunnyside Hatchery down in Beaver Dam, Wisconsin. We've utilized their genetics for many years. Very, very pleased. They've got an excellent program. We order them up through a local feed mill, and the baby chicks are delivered by one of their delivery vans to their location, and then we get a call in advance that the baby chicks are underway. Under the animal welfare standard, we have extra protocol. We don't just run and get the baby chicks. We have to make sure a whole bunch of things are in order. First off, that the company that's providing us with the baby chicks are putting them in an approved box, a box designed specifically for baby chick transport. It's got to be able to be insulated enough for the cold weather and yet have enough airflow so it doesn't overheat inside. So there's a lot of criteria that goes into it. As you can see in this picture here, we utilize a box, got a series of little holes in it that have knockouts where you can increase the ventilation as needed. Additionally, we required that we fill out a series of forms. So the documentation from the date we order the baby chicks, date of delivery, the process, the number that arrive healthy versus if we've lost any. I'm happy to announce we had a little over 102 baby chicks, and we had 0 loss, so that's pretty good. I mean, normally that's about where we're at. We lose very, very few. Now the work is on our end. We put them in a brooder. We've updated or upgraded our process here a little bit. I'm sacrificing some of our premium shop for the baby chicks. We had another location we used. It worked, but this is so optimum. We have in-floor heating in the shop. I got the boiler running full blast, and I have that zone where the brooder is temporarily placed in the shop turned to maximum heat. So we have floor temperature climbing almost 80 degrees Fahrenheit. So target temperature at this time with the brand new baby chicks is 95 degrees. So we don't have a lot of heat that we have to implement. Additionally, we've changed up our brooder some. We've gone to 2 porcelain heating elements. They're 0 fire risk. We like that design. Plus, in the past, we were really throwing too much light at the baby chicks. So we're using 1 infrared light bulb, and the other 2 are the porcelain ones. They're again first time for us, but doing a thermal imaging of the area, looks like it's working out perfect. Additionally, we have to put an electrolyte in the water. That's a requirement. Plus, we give them warm water. And then I've raised baby chicks for many, many, many decades. I also show them the drinking process. So I just simply put my finger, put a couple of them over by the water, and once a few drink, the rest will follow. So it's always doing that first introduction, and respectively with the food. We have opted for using locally sourced pine shavings for the bedding. It stays very dry. It's very neutral. There's no problems. We've tried many different materials. That one has worked the best for us. Respectively, in the water, we give them warm water. They get an electrolyte in there. That electrolyte is intended to get them off to a good start. We maintain even temperatures within the brooder, but we do allow one area to stay a little cooler. And when they're very active, they'll often go to the area that may be down right around 80 degrees Fahrenheit. And then when they're ready to sleep, they'll actually go into the area that's sitting around 95. Again, with 100 baby chicks, one of the keys to this is not allowing them to bunch. If they climb on each other, we could come and find a large mortality. A lot of people have made that mistake when they start increasing their flock size and adding a number of birds at the same time. Well, upcoming months we'll be adding anywhere from 50 to 100 baby chicks per month through the summer, increasing our flock size from its current number of approximately 400 to around 600 to 800 is our target. Well, I should say 800 is our target. So stay tuned. We will be keeping you updated on what's going on with the baby chicks. Well, I thank you so much and have a great evening.